Do you need software that actually fits your business instead of bending your business to fit the software? That's what custom software development is all about. And if you're in New Jersey, the Farber Consulting Group, Inc. can help. We've been building custom business applications for over 30 years right here in NJ. From inventory tracking to CRM, scheduling, billing, and ERP systems, we create software that does exactly what your team needs. No more spreadsheets, no more out-of-the-box software that never quite works. Here's what we deliver: custom desktop, cloud, or mobile apps, integration with your existing systems, streamlined workflows tailored to your business, database development with MS SQL, MySQL, and more, secure, scalable code with expert support. Our clients include local businesses, national brands, and global names like Johnson & Johnson and Avis Car Rental. And we've helped companies replace 20 to 30 years old systems with modern, fast, secure software that's easy to use and scalable. Plus, you work directly with our senior developers, no outsourcing, no guessing. If you're in New Jersey and need reliable custom software that just works, let's talk. We'll discuss your requirements, build your app, and support you every step of the way. Visit us at dfarber.com or call us at 732-536-4765. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more smart business tech tips.